Yesterday we did try shoot this, and luckily we're able to hit this one. So uulitin natin ngayon, titingnan natin kung matatamaan ba ulit. Same distance, about 20 meters, 20-25 meters. So we'll see kung kaya natin tamaan ulit.